Number 12. What is the radius of the circle in the xy plane with equation x minus 9 squared plus y minus 3 squared equals 64? Well, the standard form of a circle is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r, the radius squared. So here, h comma k is the center. R is the radius of the circle. So what do they want to know? What is the radius? R squared on the right side, right here, must equal 64. Take the square root of both sides. R equals technically plus or minus 8, but it's plus 8 because we can only have a positive length of radius. The correct answer for 12 is C. 8 is the radius. 13. If 6 over x plus 1 equals 3, what is the value of x plus 1? Well, the first thing I might do is just simply take the reciprocal of both sides. X plus 1 divided by 6. I'm switching numerator and denominator on the left, and I'll do the same on the right. The reciprocal of 3 is 1/3. Now I can multiply by 6 on both sides to get rid of my denominator. The 6's cancel. X plus 1 equals 6 divided by 3 is 2. Again, what is the value of x plus 1? It's 2. The correct answer for 13 is C. Okay, number 14. Fahari kicks a ball on the ground into the air. 1 second after being kicked, the ball reaches its maximum height. Okay, so the ball is going to look like a parabola. And 2 seconds after being kicked, the ball is back on the ground. So at time 0, he kicks it. At times 2, it's back on the ground. And parabolas are symmetrical. So right in the middle, at time 1 second, the ball reaches its maximum height. So how high is it? We don't know. We'll call that a K. Oh, no, I take that back. They give us the maximum height of 16 feet. So K is 16. So our vertex is 1, 16, and that vertex is the h, k. In our vertex form of a quadratic, which is y, or h of t, equals a x minus h squared plus k. A represents the acceleration or the shape of the parabola. Don't worry about that acceleration part unless you took physics. But the important thing is I don't need to know that A again. All the answer choices have the same A, so I don't need to figure that out. All I need to do is plug in my H and my K. So H is 1, so it's going to be T minus 1 and plus 16 for K. The correct answer is B. H of T equals minus 16 times T minus 1 squared plus 16. The other answers are just throwing in a unusual mixture of those numbers, 1 and 16, that are not the correct vertex form of this quadratic. 14 is B. Number 15, the scatter plot above shows the relationship between two variables x, y. Line of best fit is shown. For how many of the data points is the actual y value at least 1 greater than the y value predicted by the line of best fit? So I want the dots that are above the line, but importantly, they have to be 1 above the line. Now, I know from experience, when they ask for a number greater, they usually play games with the grids. The grids are not 1 by 1 or something like that. So what do we see here? Each grid here is 2 across, so each grid is 1 across, and then up to it is 1 up. So actually, I take that back in this case. They are 1 by 1 grids. So I want to find the points that are at least 1 greater. So it looks like that point is 1 greater than the prediction of the line. It looks like that point is more than 1 greater than the prediction of the line. So the answer is B. There are 2 points that are at least 1 greater than the predicted y value. The correct answer for 15 is B.